Hi, my name's Chris Grieve, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the Aberdeen Hall Virtual Open House. Aberdeen Hall is a really special school, based primarily on quality of programming in four distinct areas. First and foremost, it's always academics. We've got a great academic program. Number two, arts. Three is athletics. And four, we have a strong character leadership program. As mentioned, we have a wonderful community that's very personal, and we work hard to identify the needs of our students, and our caring and dedicated teachers do everything they can to meet those needs. In fact, during this COVID pandemic, the faculty did a tremendous job pivoting into an online education program. But I encourage you to come and visit the school. I look forward to meeting you, and we'll see you soon.
Aberdeen Hall is a special place, and I would like to welcome you to our community. The first building on our virtual tour today is our junior school, housing grades 1 to 5. We have a model of 3 homerooms per grade with approximately 18 to 20 students per homeroom. Aberdeen Hall's junior school programs are designed to help our students become independent, active learners with a spirit of inquiry and critical thinking. In conjunction with the school's academic curriculum, we place emphasis on the values of respect, responsibility, integrity, and perseverance through our Griffin Code. We take pride in our community setting where the teachers get to know the children well and look after their individual needs. Aberdeen Hall has proven to be an excellent environment for many types of children. Next up, we'll be entering the Great Hall. The Great Hall is the heart of the school and is used for special group gatherings such as assemblies, presentations, and daily lunch. We also have an open concept staff room and lots of study space with natural light available for our senior students to use before and after school. As we continue through the senior school, we look ahead to university guidance, a very important step along the academic journey. Starting as early as kindergarten, our students receive daily core instruction in English, math, science, and socials, and have electives in French, music, art, drama, applied design, and PE. The grade 9 to 12 experience allows students to gain depth in their programming as they prepare for entry into post-secondary institutions. We also offer AP or advanced placement courses for those looking for an extra challenge. The gym studio here is an additional space for PE. You will see the dome shortly. Although we are a university prep school, we want students to be happy and balanced. Art, drama, and music are possible at all levels, starting as early as preschool. Junior students start in our amazing strings program in grade 3, selecting violin or cello. Instruction in guitar and percussion is introduced in grade 6, and recording technologies in grade 9. Our digital design studio provides an amazing hands-on maker space. 3D printers and laser cutters are just some of the technology showcased. We cannot be more grateful for the Okanagan landscape background to which our school is set. Featured here is our grade 12, This I Believe graduation speeches. Our teachers are waiting here at senior reception if you're entering grades 6 to 12 this fall. Likewise, if you enjoy athletics, you'll likely be spending a lot of time here, in the dome, training, or attending tournaments. We're also very fortunate to have a beautiful soccer field hosting our junior school students for their year-end sports day on this beautiful June day.
Hello and welcome to the Junior School. My name is Casey Turnpenny and I'm the principal of kindergarten to grade 5. My job is to make sure that each one of your children feels safe, happy, and engaged, and that they have the skills needed academically and socially to pursue whatever they would like to as they carry forward into grade 6 and beyond.
Hi, I'm Paul Bienvenu. I'm the middle school principal here at Aberdeen Hall. I want to welcome you to our facility on our virtual tour of the school today. At the middle school here, we know that as students enter into this period of transition in their lives, as they're growing physically, mentally, and socially, they need to be guided and shepherded through that process. And we're really looking forward to having you come and be a part of our community as we do that together.
Hi, I'm Grant Zachovsky, principal of Aberdeen Hall High School. When students come to us in grade 9, often they're wondering who they're going to be and where they're going. And by the time they get to grade 12, we're happy to say they're often very sure of who they are and what they're going to do. We're proud of our students, and we're proud of our role that we're able to play along the way. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in September and having you join our family.
At Aberdeen Hall, we have a great deal to offer and have built the school around excellent academics, small classes and individualized attention, robust arts and athletics, and a caring community setting. Our most valuable resource is our people, and the best means of measuring what we are about is to meet the students and faculty. We understand that at this time meeting in person may be more challenging. However, we hope today's virtual open house gives you an insight into our beautiful campus, the friendly administration, the excellent programming, and most importantly, the safe and structured school community for your child and your family. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them now.